To make activated charcoal, first you'll need to turn hardwood into charcoal. Fill a large pot with 4-inch, 10-centimeter pieces of hardwood and cover it with a loose-fitting lid. Heat the pot over a fire for 3 to 6 hours until the wood has turned into charcoal. Let the charcoal cool, then rinse it with water and let it completely dry. Next, transfer it to a plastic bag and grind it into a fine powder with a hammer. Run the powder through a fine mesh strainer to remove any large pieces, then transfer it to a bowl. To activate the charcoal, pour about 1 to 2 cups, 240 to 475 milliliters of lemon juice into the bowl and stir until a paste forms. Cover the bowl and let the charcoal sit for 24 hours. Now, strain the charcoal in a coffee filter inside of a fine mesh strainer. Rinse the charcoal 3 times with distilled water to flush away all of the lemon juice. Finally, let the activated charcoal air dry, or dry it in the oven for 2 to 4 hours at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, 110 degrees Celsius. Store your activated charcoal in a canning jar with a tight lid.